Morning, sir.
Morning.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Sir, do you have any intention of reviving the broadband project?
Yung broadband, that is there is a need for the broadband, no? But we are thinking of utilizing. Si Senator Lacson, if I remember correctly, identified yung broadband network of what was then Transco, which can be utilized for our purposes. So the DOST is inventorying presently what we do have as the basis for the broadband network. Now, if there is need to engage the telcos, which was my position, they're already ready as far as the broadband is concerned. So, yung reviving in something similar to the ZTE, no way. Pero utilizing what we do already have to meet the needs, and that is currently being assessed and a plan is being drawn up by the DOST.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Joyce?
Coincidentally pala, nag-report ang DOST kung gaano kamali yung ZTE ng project at gaano ka-obsolete by the time it would have been set up.
Okay.
Joyce?
Okay, sir. Sir, may we know kung may biyahe na kayong parating? We heard you have one coming up for Washington and for Japan.
There are two, no? America and Japan. America will be first. It is Washington and New York. We're going to, by President Obama's invitation for the Partnership for Open Governance. I think I'll be talking also before the World Bank there. I understand that in the times that we have been achieving in the Philippines is already being highlighted by the World Bank. In Japan, it's an official visit. I think there will be good news, if not for both, at least definitely for one, that I will be bringing back home.
Sir, sorry pa-clarify lang. Sir, so yung US, it's a working visit and Japan is not a state visit, it's also an
It's an official visit.
official visit. Thank you, sir.
Last question from
Yung America specifically for that governance, that open governance aspect. There are, I think, 12 countries that are participants and 2 in Asia, one of which is Indonesia, the second is the Philippines.
Okay, last question from Christine.
Still,
Hi, sir. Sir, oops. Oops. Teka lang ah. Okay.
naka-MR si Ray dyan.
um, sir, will you announce kung sino na yung sa PNP, sir, chief?
Not
Because it's
today.
September.
Not today.
When, sir?
Very, very soon.
Why is it taking time to announce? Kasi
There are yung incoming, outgoing, also parang have to tidy up all of their affairs, turnovers, etc. Wala namang issue, no? So far that I can see. But I would want to talk to the incoming one last time before I formally announce it.
okay. Sir, can I ask you dun sa WikiLeaks?
I haven't read it, but if you can tell me what it was about.
But you're aware of the cable of written by former Ambassador Christy Kenny?
Specifically, what's the question?
Yeah, she said she had this initial impression na when she first when you met her with your mother, parang she said you were kind of diffident and unassertive leader. But eventually she said that but the following cables parang well, you're not tainted with any corruption and anything when you were a candidate for the president. So, what do you think of that kind of assessment, sir?
Siguro mas parang the thoughts that came out, especially the ones that came out last week, if I'm not mistaken, with regards to my mother. The DFA will be issuing a formal comment, no, on the issues. Sa akin, ang pumapasok lang is, there is a person on the ground, eyes and ears ng one of our biggest allies, at medyo andali maligaw. No? So, napapag-isip ka, ano ba implication sa foreign policy? Nung kanya nire-reportan kung inaakala na siya yung pinaka-maagap at kompletong source, no, ng kaalaman. Mukhang hindi yata ganun ka-thorough. Pero, again, they will not comment officially whether or not those cables actually were sent. So, we are commenting on something that is maybe a bit of speculation. So, sa akin dito, in case these cables were true, baka dapat mag-assess sila na kanilang capabilities to assess and gather the necessary information para tama naman yung pagbabase ng kanilang mga desisyon.
So yung DFA, parang formal, it's gonna be a protester? Yung statement of the DFA?
Yeah, I think Secretary Gonzales already made several comments about it. No? And sa akin, pwede mo parang lumipas na yun. Maski na pagawin natin sa kasalukuyan, hindi mo naman mabago yun. Ang importante, paano ba yung ngayon at paano yung bukas? At ulitin ko lang, kung tama itong mga kabling to, at yun ang assessment niya, parang lalo nung binabagit ko sa nanay ko, at talagang parang ang layo sa, ano natin masasabi, sa katotohanan. So, nag-aalala ka na pag mali, di ba? Pag mali ang informasyon pinagbabasihan ng desisyon, paano magiging tama yung desisyon?
So this cable won't affect if ever your visit to the US?
That they are a democratic society. We are also a democratic society. So, di ba, meron freedom of speech. May limits, pero may freedom. So, does it affect? No. Yung open governance is something that we are also championing. And this seeks to do the same, you know, for the rest of the world. So, why should we not help and have stable, progressive countries everywhere in the world that can be our partners as we try to achieve our own progress?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. President.